2011 Taurus SEL from Blake Utterford will take you down the road in comfort and style. Tastefully optioned with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, CD, cruise, sync, and so much more. Almost new tires. Mainly highway mileage. 100% auto check guaranteed. Very clean interior. Very smooth ride. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. The 2011 Ford Taurus, the perfect blend of daily driver and family hauler. View all our inventory at www.blakeutterford.com. Call or email Terry Irby, Internet Relations Manager. Follow us on Facebook.